Alright, so in today's video, we're going to check out a brand new tool called InfluAlcer, which has been launched recently. According to the creators, this is the world's first AI app that allows you to create dozens of human-like influencers within minutes. Hmm. With this tool, you can instantly generate ultra-realistic AI influencers, complete with a unique face, voice, a personality that can engage audiences, grow followers, and even promote your products on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. So now we know that this tool helps you create AI influencers that look and sound just like real humans, right? So, alright, then let's jump straight into the live demo and see exactly how this tool works and what kind of influencers it can create. But before we move on, here is something exciting. If you decide to purchase this tool using my special link, you will get a bunch of exclusive bonuses from my side. These include premium software tools, online courses, and a lot more valuable stuff. I have added the bonus page link right below this video, so make sure to check it out and see everything you will be getting. Now let's get into the dashboard. Here you can see all these important stats, how many AI influencers you have created so far, the total number of images generated, and even how many videos you have produced, right? So let's go ahead and create an AI influencer from scratch, okay? To do that, we need to complete 6 simple steps, which I will walk you through one by one, okay? Alright, so here is the first step. This is where we need to fill in some basic details about our influencer, like their first name, last name, nickname, age, gender, and nationality. After that, you will need to choose the primary language, select the interest, and define their communication style, okay? So once all that's done, simply click on next. Now in this section, you will find several customization options such as eye color, skin tone, appearance, body type, facial expression, voice tone, emotional tone, accent, and more. Basically, you get complete control over how your influencer looks and sounds, right? Which is actually a really cool feature because you can design them exactly the way you want. After selecting all these options, click next again. Moving on to the third step, here you will find to choose your influencer's hairstyle. You can pick from various options based on your own preferences or the kind of influencers you want to create, right? Once you are done, click next. Next up, we will define the influencer's personality. There are multiple personality types available here. You can choose whichever best fits your brand or the vibe you are going for. Then again, click next. After that, you will be asked to choose the occupation for your influencer. And once that's done, click next again. Now comes the final step, selecting your influencer's clothing style. Pick whatever look suits your concept best, and once you are happy with everything, click generate. Here you will also see options like profile description, negative prompt, and the ability to choose the number of variations you want to generate. So once everything's set, click on generate influencer. And here you go. The tool will now create your influencer based on all the details you provided. You can preview the result right here, and if you like it, you can download or save it directly. You can see how realistic it looks in the preview. All your created influencers will appear under the All Influencers section, where you can easily view, edit, and manage all of them from one place, okay? Like you can set any influencer to private or public, view all their details, and not only that, by clicking on edit, you can go back and change or update any of their settings wherever you want. Pretty flexible, right? You can also share your influencer easily. Just copy the link from here and share it anywhere. Super simple. Now let's move on to the image generation section. Basically, this feature lets you generate different images of your influencer in a variety of styles and poses, okay? So for example, if you want to create new images for a specific influencer, just select them from the list, then choose their pose like standing, sitting, walking, and many more. This is actually a really impressive feature because it lets you create your influencer in different scenarios and moods. You can even add your own custom pose by clicking on the plus button. Next, you will need to choose the environment, okay, where you want your influencer to appear, followed by the time of day and the style of the image. After that, you can select the number of variations you want to generate. You can even add an extra prompt to make the image more customized, though that part is completely optional. What's great about this feature is how detailed it is. You can specify exactly what kind of image you want, with full creative control. That's a huge plus point, right? Once everything is ready, simply click on Generate Image. And there you go. It has now created two images for this influencer. You can preview them, save your favorite ones, or even download them directly. Just look at this. The face remains perfectly consistent across the images, which is a really impressive detail and makes the result look professional and realistic. All your generated images will appear right here in the image gallery, where you can easily manage, organize, or download them anytime. Next, let's move on to the video generation section. This is where you can actually create videos of your AI influencer. First, all you need to do, give your video a title and then choose the duration. You can create videos up to 60 seconds, which is perfect for short form platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. After that, select the language and then pick the voice for your influencer. You will find plenty of voice options here, both male and female, each with different tones and accents. Once that's done, simply paste your video script into the box and click Next. Now, select the influencer you want to feature in the video. Choose an image or avatar of that influencer. Basically, the image you want the video to be based on. Got it? Once that's set, just click on Generate Video. You will also get a few customization options here, like choosing the video style, text style, font size, text position, and even colors. You can adjust all these elements to match your brand or creative vision. And here is a fun part, you can even add emojis or other small design elements to make your video more expressive and engaging. And once you are happy with everything, click on Export. All the videos you create will be saved in your video gallery section. From here, you can preview, edit, or download them anytime. Alright, so let's preview this one and see how it looks.
Do you dream of jet setting around the globe like a traveling influencer? Just imagine the possibilities: a lush, tropical beach one week, a bustling historic city the next. It's not just glamorous locales and exotic cuisine.
Lucis, Camara, Moda. Entra en el mundo de un influencer de moda. Vivamos. Como y respiramos los últimos tendencias y creations.
And that's the complete demo of the tool. I hope now you have got a clear idea of how it works and what all you can do with it. If you want to try it out yourself, you will find a link in the description below. And don't forget, if you purchase it through my link, you will get access to all those exclusive bonuses I mentioned earlier. So thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to the channel because I will be sharing many more such amazing tools and tutorials in upcoming videos.